Hello, Fun Nation. My name is James, checking in here with team number 7769, the crew at the Michigan State Championship. Incredible robot, one of the best robots in the world, not just here in Michigan. Really, really strong indexing system, great throughput to their shooter. Lots to learn about here with all their different mechanisms. Here with me to find out more, I have Luke, Dom, and Andrew. Let's find out more on Behind the Bumpers. All right, Andrew, why don't you get us started? Let's talk about the intake that has won you guys 2 events so far.
Yeah, so for our intake, initially we were thinking about what would be the fastest way to kind of get balls inside of our robot. And our ideas went over the bumper or rack and pinion. We kind of R&D'd both, and we decided on the rack and pinion. So here we have the rack and pinion that slides out. The rack and pinion is mechanically fixed, so there's actually a half-inch thunder hex across inside the robot, so the rack and pinion can never get unaligned. And then on the rack and pinion, we have a 4-inch polycarb tube that is 16th inch wide. That is wrapped in cat tongue, which then, using 2 Kraken X60s we use to power, pulls in the balls into our hopper.
So obviously intakes, well, part of the name of the game this year is durability.
Yeah.
Right? They're out there all the time.
Yeah.
How have you guys been dealing with that problem here on the crew?
Yeah, so recently we've been facing some tough defense at this competition. So we've seen that our rack and pinion is actually losing teeth. In order to combat that, we have spares that we've brought. Unfortunately, we've run out of spares, so now we're actually taking sections off of old rack and pinion teeth, and we're implementing them on previous ones in order to create a full set of teeth.
I love the improvisation. That's great.
Before we get to our next segment, we'd like to thank the following. True competitors know that every second counts. That's why Kettering University challenges you to dive in right away as a first-year student. Participating in robotics programs helps Kettering students secure a valuable co-op. Whatever your interests, Kettering gives you more space to work faster and win faster. Learn more at kettering.edu/first. Osh Cut is the premier metal cutting service for first teams. No minimum order, options for same-day turnaround, 3D tube laser cutting, and with nearly 500 variations of metal in stock and ready to cut. Just upload a file and claim your 50% off discount when you scan the QR code or go to funroboticsnetwork.com/OSHCUT.
I want to hand it over here to Luke to talk a little bit more about this hopper mechanism. You guys have really good throughput. Let's learn more about that.
All right, so with our hopper system, we just want it to be as simple as possible. You know, it's a box, it holds a bunch of rolls, a bunch of fuel. So here it's connected to our intake system on the rack and pinion. So it's all this polycarb. We can hold about, 65 fuel per full, 65 to 70 fuel per hopper. On top, we have a net to expand our storage. Inside here, we have kind of to funnel the balls into our shooter. We have this really neat system with our belts powered by a Kraken X60 right here. And these belts roll, pushing the balls into our injector. And with this flipping up, we can also access all of our electronics, really easy maintenance, checking our connections. And yeah, just a really simple injector and hopper system.
Very elegant there. Dom, I'd love to learn a little bit more now about your shooter. Really strong performance from you guys here. What's gone into that?
So right here, coming from the hopper, we have 8 compliant wheels that essentially funnel the balls to the shooter. And we have a bit of a S motion that comes to these flywheels in this hood that pops up so we can get a good trajectory. We have 2 Krakens on this side and 2 on this side to power each side of the flywheels. And we have 1 Kraken right here to power the compliant wheels.
Talk to me through some of the maybe iterations you guys have gone through with this robot. Is this kind of how you guys started, or is this
no?
Many things have changed.
We started with 2 separate fixed shooters, but we found that there was jamming happening, so we decided to take out the middle and make it a full shooter.
Very cool. Appreciate that, Dom. And other Dom, I'd love to hear a little bit more about some of the software that goes into making this machine so great.
Yes, so a big part of this game is aiming. We have a really good auto aiming system. We use Limelight for vision positioning. We found in our first competition, our Limelight was going out almost every single match, which would throw off our aim. So in our second competition, we added a second Limelight. We found out it wasn't, our Limelight was having like major physical issues. So like the circuit boards were, I don't know, breaking. So we put a second limelight here, but then we found out they were fighting for position and messing up our positioning. So we ended up only using it for the climb now, which we were able to successfully do in our match with Team 67 earlier.
So you mentioned your climb there. I'd love to learn a little bit more about your climber. Can you walk me through that?
So actually, our climber, we've gone through a lot of iterations. I guess we have two separate ideas at the beginning of the season. We had a flippy hook that would climb on the front, and this was a harpoon that can climb on the side. But right now, we can't use the flippy hook as it got in the way of these shooter rollers, so we're just the harpoon now. We have a very reliable auto climb now that we have this limelight here to help us position better when we can't see the tags with the front limelight.
Really interesting. Appreciate it, Dom. What was that?
Can you tell them why we have the harpoon off?
Oh yeah, so we have the harpoon off right now because our net can stretch all the way over and get caught sometimes. And we only climb if we have a chance to get the climb ranking point. And right now, there are no teams coming up that we have a chance to get that ranking point with, so we just rather not take the risk.
Well, Team 7769, the crew, just an incredible robot this year. Your robot chunk, lots to learn from, and lots of performance here for you guys still to go here at the state championship and beyond at the world championship as well. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video. My name is James for the Fun Robotics Network, signing off.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. Osh Cut is the premier metal cutting service for first teams. No minimum order, options for same-day turnaround, 3D tube laser cutting, and with nearly 500 variations of metal in stock and ready to cut. Just upload a file and claim your 50% off discount when you scan the QR code or go to funroboticsnetwork.com/OSHCUT. True competitors know that every second counts. That's why Kettering University challenges you to dive in right away as a first-year student. Participating in robotics programs helps Kettering students secure a valuable co-op. Whatever your interests, Kettering gives you more space to work faster and win faster. Learn more at kettering.edu/first.